In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change text background color. So first of all, I open InDesign. Then purpose this one. So you can see this is a text background. So you can just first of all select one. Then you can see this is a color option. So you can doing and add any of color on here, etc., etc. On the other hand, uh, if this background add on here to permanently like okay, just wait few second, I'm going to show you everything. Okay, you can see this is a permanently uh, background. So you can change if you want to change it. You need to just going first of all select this text, then going on effects, then you can see this is the color option. So you can change it to red, black, and blue, and etc., etc. You can do it on here. Thanks for watching. See